Here's the thing, or here's the downfall.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? Do you guys remember when everyone was raving about the African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo? I mean everybody, well, except me, because I'm going to be trying it for the first time today in this video, and we're gonna see if they were lying or not. But disclaimer, products work differently for everyone's hair. We're testing it out on my hair to see if it works or not. Right on the front, it says that it claims to help minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. When we turn it around, it also claims to protect and remove tangles, claims to leave hair soft and easy to manage during cleansing and styling. African Pride, those are some heavy claims. Okay, let's see what it is. So let's read the directions. Sometimes you can put your own spin on directions depending on how well you know your hair. But let's read. So it says, before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair. So you're going to apply this on dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle. Rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Let's do a smell test. So it didn't have a seal, I don't know, but before I even put my nose close to this, definitely smelling the coconut. Coconut is right in your face. Melt the coconut as I opened it. A nice tropical coconut. Coconut is tropical, because to be honest, coconut doesn't really have a smell, does it? But it's just like a sweet smelling coconut. Yes. Let's check the consistency. So it's giving slimy, giving snotty, that slippery consistency. Let's put this in here because, you know, we're not wasting it. Ooh, that feels good already. Before we do our first application, let's talk about the hair. Y'all, Jermaine is dry. Look at this. And hopefully this is the right product to use before we shampoo, so we can detangle my hair outside of the shower. You guys know I usually detangle inside of the shower under running water. But let's see if detangling outside of the shower, let's see if I'm going to enjoy that more. I don't pre-poo my hair for nothing. I just like to go in the shower, do my hair, and come out. I don't like to spend too much time in my hair, to be honest. But anyway, let's part this hair and start with the back section. It says to apply on dry hair, so we're going to apply on dry hair. So let's see how the first application goes. As I said, sticky, is giving slime. Rub it in my hands and apply. Okay, this is my first time using this, so I don't know how it's supposed to work or feel on my hair, but it's very slimy. It's slimy and slippery, the same thing. I'm focusing on the ends first. See, dry. The scent is really strong too. Well, I'm sensitive to smells. The curls are activating. I really have to detangle, of course, but the knots and tangles are coming out slowly but surely. I'm not gonna speed up this section just so you guys can see how well my hair untangles. So the ends are pretty much detangled. Now I'm getting closer to the roots. Yes, my roots get hella tangled. I mean, I get tangles on my ends, but my roots, the new growth grows in thick as hell, and it's just not fun to detangle. We have slip. The hair is feeling moisturized already. My hair already started to shrink, so it does help with detangling, but you really have to go in and detangle. It's not a quick fix. You really just have to detangle. I personally like to detangle in the shower. It's a lot faster for me. See, I'm sitting on here detangling my hair to then wash. Maybe it might cut my wash day down in half, but doing this is already just too much time wasted for me. So yeah, it's detangling well. The only thing is my roots. Okay, the curls are back to life. Y'all see the transformation? But anyway, let me go on to the other section so you guys can really see how to do. Okay. It's eating up my coarse texture, the texture that's more coarse. I'm multi-textured, meaning I have different textures throughout my hair. It went on really good in this area right here. It warmed up to this section really quick. Okay, African Pride. like I just did a wash and go and it's drying. Okay, maybe you guys didn't lie. Maybe you guys didn't lie at all about this product. Just maybe. But it's said to leave on for about 15 to 30 minutes for especially dry and tangled hair. You guys saw how my hair was in the beginning. It was very dry, tangled, yeah. Let's just test the claims right away because after this I'm going to shampoo and condition. But let's talk about how the product is making my hair feel. It claims to minimize breakage, right? I can see how that can happen because the curls are soft, moisturized, the hair is detangled, the tangles were removed. What else? My hair is easy to manage, especially to prepare to cleanse or shampoo. Y'all see these curls for the girls, y'all see these curls for the boys and girls. But yeah guys, the hair feels really soft and slippery. Of course that's going to aid in detangling. I would have loved to include the footage where I rinsed it out, but I'm not gonna set up in the shower. I'm sorry guys, I love you guys, but I have to leave the house just now and I don't want too much work before I leave the house. I do want to try this on my niece's hair because her hair looks like a hot mess right now. I haven't had the time to do her hair. Here's the thing, or here's the downfall. Here's what I don't like about this. Attitude. One of them. I used half the product. Not even half, guys. There's only a quarter left in here. I just said I'm gonna use this for my niece's hair, but ain't got nothing in here really. Long, thick hair problems. Like, y'all, ain't really got nothing in here. Okay, it doesn't really have anything in here. Some of you understand my accent by now. And trust me, I don't think I was heavy-handed. Maybe if I applied water first and then the product, but it said to apply on dry hair. Maybe I could have tweaked the directions a little bit for it to last longer, but okay, my final thoughts. Would I repurchase this again for my hair? It's a really good product. Actually, it's a really great product. It did everything that it said it was going to do. It didn't really disappoint. It did its thing, because look at my hair. But with all this hair, for me to almost use the entire jar of the product, that's an issue. I understand that people don't be making products for naturals with a lot of hair. Why y'all do that? There are good bits of us who have long hair. There are good bits of us who have really thick hair. Y'all need to be making products for all of us. But that's the only reason. And also, I don't know, I just love going right into the shower for my wash day. Anything else is extra for me. Anything else is too much for me. But as I said, if I'm going to use it on someone's hair to help detangle before I do that, then it's perfect for that. So I probably would have it around or use it again if I'm going to be styling my family members' hair, especially children, to help with the detangling process, because they be balling. It'd be tough for the kids. I get it. I'm gonna rinse this out. You guys heard my final thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.